85% of the people who suffered severe injuries in auto accidents last year could have escaped harm if only they would have worn their seatbelts. Yet they neglected to buckle up because of all too familiar excuses, like these.
What? Wear a seatbelt? No way! It would just wrinkle my outfit.
What? Wear my seatbelt? That's uncool.
Use a seatbelt?
Why? We're just going a few blocks.
It's time to stop making up excuses and start wearing your seatbelt. So come on, buckle up.
Yeah! Buckle up.
Hey, definitely, buckle up.
Just do it.
Buckle up!
In Illinois, as well as in many other states, wearing your seatbelt is the law. So for your own safety, buckle up.